Good morning students. Let us revise previous class point. Previous class topic antigen and antibody interaction. Okay. So what is antigen one? Antigen is a foreign substance. Okay. What is the use of the antigen? Antigen induce immune system. Okay. Induce immune system. Okay. What is antibody? Antibody is a protein substance produced by the immune system opposite to the antigen. That is called antigen. So what is antigen and antibody? What is antibodies? Antibodies are nothing but it is a immunoglobulin that is called antibody. So what is immunoglobulin? Immunoglobulin is a commonly called as Ig. So based on the biochemical and physiological properties, immunoglobulin is divided into 5 categories. What are the 5 categories? Alpha, mu, epsilon, delta. Okay. So alpha, gamma, mu, epsilon, delta. So next, what is antigen and antibody? So antigen, whenever antigen enter in our body, automatically antibody produced. So antibody produced on B cells by B cells. B cells only produce antibody. D cells does not produce antibodies. Okay. These are the main important factors of the antigen and antibody interaction. And what are the process? Agglutination and clumping and neutralization. Today we are going to see about the remaining part of the lesson. Topic vaccines. What is vaccine or vaccination? So what is vaccine? What is vaccination? So vaccination is a technique to develop immunity without any infection to particular disease. That is called vaccine. So what is vaccine ma? What is vaccine? What is vaccination? So vaccination or vaccine it is a technique to develop immunity without any infection. Okay. So vaccination is a technique. Vaccination is a technique to develop immunity without any infection to particular disease. That is called vaccination. So what is vaccination ma? So vaccination is a technique to develop immunity. So vaccine induce our immune system. Develop some immune cells. Okay. So develop immunity without any infection. So without any infection to particular disease, some vaccine program. What is vaccination? Vaccination is a technique to develop immunity without any infection to particular disease. It is a biological preparation. Biological preparation, it provide acute immunity. So acute immunity. So what is the meaning of the acute immunity? So acute immunity means the individual acquire immunity after birth. That is called acute immunity. So okay, already you know two type of immunity: innate immunity and acute immunity. So innate immunity is all the living organism. All the living organisms gifted to some resistant power. That is called innate immunity. So what is the meaning of the acute immunity? Acute immunity means that an individual acquire immunity after birth. That is called acute immunity. So immunization are vaccines only inject to after birth. That is called vaccine. Okay. So what is vaccine? Vaccination is a technique to develop immunity without any infection to particular disease. Okay. So next one, it is a biological preparation to provide acute immunity. So acute immunity means that an individual acute after birth. That is a acute immunity. Another one important point in vaccine. Vaccine teach in our body to defend itself against virus or bacteria. So virus to teach itself against defense mechanism against virus or bacteria. Okay, this is a vaccine. So next one, the vaccine is divided into 3 categories. So what are the vaccination? Another one technique, vaccinotherapy. Vaccinotherapy. So what is the meaning of the therapy? Therapy nale some treatment. Okay, so therapy nale some treatment. treatment. So what is the meaning of the vaccinotherapy now? Method of use of vaccines for treatment for particular disease, that is called vaccinotherapy. So what is vaccinotherapy? Is a method of use for vaccine for the treatment of particular disease, that is called vaccinotherapy. For example, PCG vaccine. So what are the vaccine? First vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. Okay, the vaccine first yaar kandupidicha appadina, vaccine was first discovered by the scientist oda name Edward Jenner. Smallpox vaccine, especially the vaccine, and then a vaccine, a smallpox vaccine. The first vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. It is very, very important. Okay, so next, what are the other vaccines? For example, PCG. So what next vaccine? PCG. What is PCG? It is a vaccinotherapy. It is a method of use treatment for particular disease. This vaccine is effective for particular disease. What are the particular disease? For example, PCG vaccine, TP. TP na tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. The disease oda name tuberculosis. Common TP அப்படியே dot அப்படிங்கற ஒரு term இருக்கு. So TP. So PCG na Bacillus Guelmette-Guerin. The PCG vaccine discovered by Guelmette, and the scientist oda name Guelmette-Guerin. Guelmette-Guerin. So the type of bacteria Bacillus. So Bacillus Guelmette-Guerin. Okay, so next scientist oda name Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur developed some vaccine. Louis Pasteur developed some vaccine against rabies, anthrax. So what is anthrax disease? Animal disease. Okay, cattle or disease, anthrax disease, and rabies, against cholera. Okay, these are the main important diseases. First vaccine was first developed by Edward Jenner against a smallpox vaccine. Smallpox is totally eradicated in our world. So next one vaccine oda name PCG. PCG vaccine respected to a disease name tuberculosis, discovered by Guelmette-Guerin. So baby CG oda name vechirukanga. So next Louis Pasteur developed some vaccine, anthrax vaccine, rabies vaccines, and cholera vaccines against cattle. Okay, so next one, the scientist oda name Jonas Salk. Salk vaccine is discovered by the polio vaccine. The scientist oda name Jonas Salk vaccine. So it's against polio. So another one Albert Sabin அப்படிங்கற scientist oda name. So scientists produced the oral polio vaccine. The சொட்டு மருந்து வாயில கொடுப்பாங்க, it is called oral polio, OPV ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So what is the meaning of the OPV? OPV na oral polio vaccine. Vaccine நாலே only injection கிடையாது. Some drop சொட்டு மருந்து இருக்குதுல, drops மருந்து இருக்குது. So oral polio, oral அப்படிங்கிறது maybe in mouth மூலயே விடுற oral polio vaccine was discovered by Albert Sabin against the polio virus. Okay va? These are the main important scientists. Okay, so next one, what are the vaccine or types? Vaccine initiate already. What is the use of the vaccine? So introduce vaccine அப்படினாலே or injected vaccine na vaccine initiate immune response, immunization process. So vaccine initiate some immunization response. What is the meaning of the immunization? Resistant to certain infection or particular infection, that is called immunization. So what is the meaning of the immunization? So resistant to particular disease or certain disease or particular microorganism, that is called immunization. So for example, so weakened or attenuated, live attenuated or dead microorganism as part of pathogen are injected into the body to develop some immune response, that is called immunization. Okay, so initiate some immunization. What is the type of first generation vaccine, second generation vaccine, and third generation vaccine? Okay, so let us see one by one. The first one, first generation vaccine. So what is first generation vaccine? What is first generation vaccine? First generation vaccine. The first generation vaccine is subdivided into three categories. Okay, live attenuated vaccine, killed vaccine, and toxin. Live attenuated vaccine, attenuated or weakened vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, killed vaccine, and third one toxin. So let us see one by one. So what is the meaning of the live attenuated vaccine? So live attenuated vaccine, the first vaccine, what is the meaning of the attenuated? Loss of pathogenicity without loss of antigenicity. So what is the meaning of the attenuated? For example, this is a natural live vaccine. So inactivated, attenuated, what is the meaning of the attenuated? This is a live vaccine. So normal vaccine. So attenuated vaccine, weakening, or weakening means loss of pathogenicity without loss of antigenicity. So what is an attenuated non-pathogen, but vaccine another loss of vaccine, we introduce the microgenic parts or microorganism part, but loss of pathogenicity. What is the meaning of the loss of pathogenicity? Loss of pathogenicity, loss of pathogenicity and without loss of antigenicity, without loss of antigenicity. So what is the meaning of the pathogenicity? So loss of pathogenicity. What is pathogen? Disease causing germs, that is called pathogen. But disease causing pathogen characters are remove பண்ணிடுறாங்க. ஓகேவா? So pathogenic character only loss, but without loss. But already you know, so antigen main capacity to induce immune response. Some substance immunity, some stimulating substance is present in some antigens. Okay, so without loss of antigenicity, the antigen enter in our body, automatically antibody produces. We induce some immune response of antibodies, we introduce some antigenicity. So antigenicity enter in our body, automatically introduce some antibodies. Antibodies are immunogen substance, immunity substance, that is called loss of pathogenicity without loss of antigenicity. So what is an attenuated? Non-pathogenic form la irukum the vaccine. Okay va? That is called attenuated. So what are the attenuated vaccine oda example? Best example MMR solluvom. So what is MMR? Measles, mumps, rubella. What is measles? So what is MMR? Measles, mumps, rubella. தமிழ்ல முத்தடுப்பு ஊசின்னு சொல்வாங்க. MMR அப்படினா measles, mumps, rubella. These are the best example of the live attenuated vaccine. This is a live vaccine, but only attenuated, pathogenicity only killed, but present in loss of antigenicity. Antigenicity is present. That is called live attenuated vaccine. Okay va? So next vaccine, killed vaccine. Killed vaccine means inactivated. So it is an inactivated vaccine. So what is a killed vaccine? The microorganism killed by chemical or by applying heat. That is called killed vaccine. So microorganisms kill பண்றாங்க applying heat or some chemicals. That is called killed vaccine சொல்றோம். So the example Salk vaccine. So Salk vaccine for the polio. Salk vaccine எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? Killed vaccine Salk vaccine. Salk vaccine. Salk vaccine used for treatment for polio. So polio vaccine killed vaccine. So by applying heat or some chemical substance easily killed. That is called killed vaccine. It is an inactivated vaccine. So another one, taxine. So what is the meaning of the taxine? So what is a taxine? Taxine, some chemical substance. We introduce some chemical substance. That chemical substance stimulates some immune response. That chemical substance stimulates some immune response. That is called taxine. For example, TPT vaccine. TPT vaccine. What is TPT? Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. That is called TPT. What is the TPT? Diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. Tetanus vaccine. These are the taxine vaccine. Okay. So what is the vaccine is divided the three category immunization process, which is classified: first generation vaccine, second generation vaccine, and third generation vaccine. Okay. So what is the meaning of the first generation vaccine? First generation, this further divided the three category. So live attenuated vaccine, killed vaccine, and taxine. So what is the meaning of the live attenuated? Live vaccine but so attenuated loss of pathogenicity and without loss of antigenicity. Pathogenicity capacity only killed or destroyed, but present the antigenicity capacity. What is the meaning of the antigenicity? Stimulate the immune response. That is called antigenicity capacity. Okay, so next best example தான் MMR. MMR Mrs. Mumps Rubella போடக்கூடிய vaccine. So next one, killed vaccine. Killed vaccine is an inactivated vaccine. So because microorganisms are killed by applying heat or using some chemicals, that is called killed vaccine. Okay, so killed vaccine example தான் Salk vaccine, used for the polio disease. Polio use பண்ணக்கூடிய Salk vaccine. Okay, so next one DPT. Next one toxin. What is a toxin? அப்படிங்கிறது it is a vaccine contains some toxic chemical substance. This chemical substance immune is harmful to some microorganism. That chemical substance is directly destroy the microorganism. The chemical substance is directly destroy the specific microorganism. For example, DPT. So DPT is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus disease. Okay. So next, second generation vaccine. So next vaccine, second generation vaccine. Second generation vaccine. Second generation vaccine. Second generation vaccine. So what is the meaning of the second generation vaccine now? This type of vaccine contains pure surface of antigen. Pure surface of the antigen of the pathogen. So some vaccine contain pure surface of antigen. Pure surface of antigen contain pathogen. Okay, so what is the meaning of the pure substance of antigen contain pathogen? So surface antigen contain surface antigen. And now what is surface antigen? So already you know antigen enter in our body na automatically antibody develop ஆகும். அப்ப pure surface of we introduce some antigens. So antigen la enna irukum? So contain some pathogenic substance or some microorganic substance. So virus or bacteria maximum. For example, hepatitis B virus through hepatitis B vaccine. This is a hepatitis example. Hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine அப்படிங்கிறது hepatitis அப்படினாலே லிவரை மீன் பண்ணும். ஸோ லிவரை மீன் பண்ணும். ஸோ கல்லீரல் அலர்ச்சி நோயின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இட் இஸ் கால்ட் hepatitis B vaccine. So what is vaccine? This is a second generation vaccine தான். Pure surface of antigen இருக்கும். So antigen contain pathogen substance. Some pathogen substance initiate the immune process. That is called second generation vaccine. For the best example, hepatitis B vaccine. Okay, so next one, it is a purest technique. So next one, third generation vaccine. Third generation vaccine. So what is the meaning of the third generation vaccine? Third generation, purest, highest technique சொல்லலாம். So highest technique means some virus potency vaccine to develop some generation. Third generation, especially genetically modified vaccine, DNA vaccine, recombinant vaccine, DNA vaccine or recombinant vaccine. So what is the meaning of the recombination? Desired gene introduced into the selected gene, that is called recombination. Okay, so recombinant vaccine. This is the best example of the third generation. So the recombinant vaccine, what is it called? Recombinant, genetically manipulated or genetically modified vaccine, that is called recombination vaccine. Okay, so we selected the desired antigen or desired pathogen is introduced into the DNA, that is called the third generation vaccine. Okay, so do you understand the three type of vaccine? First, what is vaccine? What is vaccination? What is vaccination? Vaccination is a technique to develop immunity without any infection to the respective disease or particular disease. Okay, for example, PCG அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு tuberculosis Bacillus Guerin. Okay, so these are the best example. So another one, so what vaccine provides some acute immunity. So what is the meaning of the acute immunity? That an individual acute after birth. Okay, so antibody acute after birth அப்படினா that is called acute immunity. Okay, so vaccine to defend itself our body against microorganism, especially virus or bacteria. What is the meaning of the vaccinotherapy? A method of use of vaccine for particular disease or treatment, that is called vaccinotherapy. Okay, for example, small polio vaccine or OPO vaccine, Albert Sabin, Jonas Salk vaccine for the polio vaccine. Okay, and Louis Pasteur developed some vaccine, anthrax, cholera vaccines. Okay, these are the vaccinotherapy. Okay, so next to the vaccines divided into three categories: first generation vaccine, second generation vaccine, and third generation vaccine. So what is the meaning of the first generation? First generation is further divided into three categories: live attenuated vaccine, killed vaccine, taxine. So what is live attenuated? Live attenuated loss of pathogenicity without loss of antigenicity. For example, MMR. So next one, the next killed vaccine. Killed vaccine, the vaccines are the microorganisms killed by applying heat or by some chemical substance. So what are the best example? So name on the Salk vaccine. Okay, so next vaccine, taxine vaccine. Taxine vaccines contain some chemical substance. This chemical substance initiates some immune response. Okay, and the chemical substance initiates some immune response. Initiate immune response. Or example, this is TPT, diphtheria, pertussis. So next one, the second generation vaccine. Second generation is pure surface antigen contains some pathogen. So the pathogen initiate the immune response. Okay, so initiate the immune response. Example, hepatitis B virus. So next to third generation vaccine, it contains some purest, highest potency of vaccine. Highest potency of vaccine, not genetically modified vaccine. Okay, genetically modified vaccine or recombination vaccine. So transgenic vaccine. Okay, so next topic. Next topic. So vaccination is very, very important. So next topic, virus, HIV, AIDS, immunodeficiency disease. Immunodeficiency disease. Immunodeficiency diseases. Immunodeficiency diseases. So what is the meaning of the immunodeficiency? So immuno means immunity power. So what is the meaning of the deficiency? So loss of immune power. So loss of immune power or a result from the failure to one or more immune cells. Okay, failure of immune cells, that is called, or loss of immune capacity. Loss of immune capacity, that is called immunodeficiency. Loss of immune capacity. Loss of immune capacity. Immune capacity, that is called immunodeficiency disease. So what is the immune system? What is the meaning of the immunity? Resistant to any infection, that is called immune systems. So loss of immune capacity, that is called immunodeficiency. So what are the first disease? First disease example unknown disease, AIDS. What is AIDS? AIDS is acute immunodeficiency syndrome. So what is AIDS? Acute immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, so what is the Tamil meaning? So acute disease. This is the first term, acute. Noi thadupaatal kuraivu noi appdin Tamil. So what is the meaning of the acute immunodeficiency syndrome? Syndrome na kuraipaadu. Okay va? So loss of immune substance. So what is the meaning of the acute? That an individual acute after birth. It is not a congenital disease. Okay, it is not a congenital disease. What is the meaning of the congenital disease? It is not a birth disease. Disease okay, it is acute disease. So after birth, what is the meaning of the acute? The disease acute after birth. The individual that an acute after birth, that is called acute immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, that is called AIDS. So the AIDS is caused by immunodeficiency. AIDS is caused by HIV. AIDS is caused by HIV. What is HIV? HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, what is the meaning of the HIV? Human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus, that is called HIV virus. So mainly the HIV virus mainly affect the T helper cells. Mainly first affect the T helper cell. Okay, I will explain later. So next one, What is achieved in the shape of the virus? This is a shape of the virus. It is a sucker ball shape or spherical in shape. Virus oda shape. Virus oda especially oda genus enna solvaanga lentivirus. Lentovirus oda genus lentovirus. Okay, this is a lentovirus. So next one important character, it is a spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. 100 to 120 nanometer. Virus spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. So the size 100 and 120 nanometer. Okay, it is covered by lipoprotein molecules. It is covered in the central core. The central core is the inside of the genome. In the inner core, the central core is covered by some lipid bilayer, some lipoprotein molecules. Is covered by some lipoprotein molecules. Okay, discovered by lipoprotein molecule. So the capsid is present. What is capsid? Capsid is an outer layer that is called capsid. Okay, capsid is virus. This virus contain two glycoprotein. What are the two glycoprotein? The GP, so common la GP spike அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. For example, this is a spike. இது முள்ளு மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கே ball மாதிரி. This is a spike model. This is a GP120 is the outer phase. The GP120 is attached to GP41. What is GP ma? So GP அப்படிங்கிறது glycoprotein. The glycoprotein 120. It is outer surface. This is a 110 is a knob-like structure. Knob-like or mudichu mari irukudey knob-like structure. Okay, GP120 it is a knob-like structure. Knob-like structure. It is a knob-like structure. Okay, so the GP120 is attached to GP glycoprotein 41. Okay, so this is a GP120. This is a ball-like appearance. Okay, the ball-like appearance GP120 is attached to GP41. So GP41 அப்படிங்கிறது that's another glycoprotein. Okay, it's attached to the GP glycoprotein is a small spike like that. GP120 is look like a knob-like ball. It is a sucker ball அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். கால்பந்து வடிவம். That is a spherical in shape. Okay va. So virus oda inner side some capsid protein are present. So main adoda genome two single stranded DNA. Oda genome two single stranded it's not a double stranded. It's very very important one word. So note it. Two single stranded RNA. The genetic material is RNA. But virus presents some enzymes. What are the enzymes? This enzyme, the small round like structure that is called enzyme name RT. So what is the name of the RT? RT அப்படினா reverse transcriptase. The enzyme is a special enzyme. Reverse transcriptase. Okay, the special enzyme oda name enna reverse transcriptase. So main the virus easily enter in the macrophage. Okay, enter in our body. First attack the macrophage. So macrophage already you know. So macrophage involved in the immune process. Okay, so macrophage the RNA the genome enna RNA to form a viral DNA. So enter in our body after the RNA to form viral DNA, replicate itself. Viral DNA maru replicate with itself with the help of the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Do you know the meaning? So the virus directly enter in our body by macrophages. First affect the T helper cells. Okay, so the viral genome and RNA is two single stranded RNA. This is a single stranded RNA. This is another one single stranded RNA. How many RNA? Two RNA but single stranded. It's not a double stranded. Okay, RNA nale single stranded already you know. DNA only double stranded. But in the single stranded RNA to form viral DNA replicate itself. To form converted to viral DNA. So the RNA to form viral DNA replicate. What is the replicate? duplication. Okay, already you know each DNA is copy of molecule, that is called duplication. Okay, so your replication or duplication என்ன மாறும்? So viral DNA மாறும். அப்ப அந்த RNA என்கிற genetic material என்னவா மாறுது? To form viral DNA with the help of the enzyme reverse transcriptase. This enzyme is very very important. So the RT enzyme தான் இதோட unique character என்ன? அந்த RNA வை converted to form viral DNA வா மாத்துது. It is a very very important, students, so note it. Okay வா? This is a main important in HIV virus. Some matrix proteins are present. So it is a glycoprotein. So GP naale glycoprotein. Some lipid bilayer is present. So some proteins, some matrix proteins are present in the virus. Okay. So next one, normally directly first virus enter in or eradicate in the T helper cells. First virus directly enter the T helper cells. What is the T helper cell? Already you know B cell, D cell. B cell, T cell produced in the bone marrow. T cells mature only in thymus region, that is called T cell. T cell அப்படினா T lymphocytes அப்படினு சொல்லலாம், or T cells அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So directly so first eradicated T cells enter the T helper cell. T helper cells. Okay. So T helper cells, what is the size of the T helper cell? T helper cells produce some chemical substance that is called cytokine. So another one, T helper cell initiate B cells. Okay, what is the main use of the T helper cell? The main work is initiate B cell. So what is the use of the B cell? B cell produce plasma cell. Plasma cell produce antibodies. Already you know the way. Okay, so B cell produce plasma cell. Plasma cell produce antibody. Plasma cell produce antibody. But this virus totally eradicate the T helper cells. Eradicate பண்ணிடுவோம் maximum. Helper cell ஓட capacity is very very low. So when the virus enter in our body அப்படினா total T helper cells decrease in number. T helper cells ஓட numbers very very decrease. அப்ப T helper cells do not initiate B cell activity. அப்ப do not initiate B cell activity na B cell active ஆகலைனா does not produce antibodies. அப்ப antibody ஓட production இல்ல. So but antigen enter ஆயிடுச்சு. What is antigen? Virus is the retrovirus antigen. HIV virus enter our body. Okay, so for example, so enter a body na the total the T helper cells totally decrease in do not initiate B cell. B cell does not produce antibodies, not just antigen only enter in our body. So the antigens full and full eradicate our immune cells. Eradicate eradicate our immune system, especially the immune cells. The name of the cells or name T helper cells. Okay, அப்ப T helper cells டோட்டலா அழிச்சிட்டு destroy பண்ணிட்டு அப்படினா so all the disease are enter in our body. So full and full உடம்புல என்ன கிடையாது, நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி இல்ல, immunity power is lack of immunity அப்படினு சொல்ல. lack of immunity னா immunity power is totally lost in our body. immunity power totally இல்ல, so totally lost in our body னா so all the microorganisms are pathogen or any other antigen substance easily enter in our body, cause some disease. That is called immunodeficiency. It is called immunodeficiency. Immunodeficiency na lack of immunity. Okay. So next one important, what are the transmission? HIV oda transmission maximum enna solluvom? So transmission அப்படிங்கிறது root of HIV is a transmission to unprotected sex. Okay, unprotected sex சொல்லலாம், blood contaminated needle, unprotected sex. First one, unprotected sex and contaminated needle. Contaminated. So what is the meaning of the contaminated? So contaminated needle or syringe or any other, maybe blade, any other tools. So what is the meaning of contaminated? Already affected. Okay, that is called contaminated. So third one, organ transplantation. So organ transplantation. So what is the meaning of the transplantation? So transplantation means replacement of defective organ with healthy organ, that is called transplantation. So what is the meaning of the transplantation? The replacement of defective organ by healthy organ. That is called organ transplantation. For transplantation, donor and recipient is very very important. Maybe donor HIV அப்படினா, so donor donate some kidney or any other organ அப்படினா, the replacement of defective organ person with this known infected person அப்படினா easily affect the viral disease. That is called organ transplantation. Okay va? First before transplantation was checking and screening techniques very very important. Not only organ transplantation and blood transmission also. Blood transmission. Okay. So next one, fifth one. So affected mother to fetus. What is meaning of affected mother? So mother can maybe HIV infection easily entered the disease to baby. Okay. So affected mother to fetus. Affected mother to fetus because through placenta. Okay. So these are the main transmission way of HIV. Okay. So how eradicate pannalam? So the AIDS is no cure. Okay. But the prevention of AIDS is very best option. No cure, but the prevention is very best option. So what is the prevention method abdina? So before organ transplantation and blood transmission, check the blood and screening the blood product is very very important. The first one. Okay, so next one, AIDS awareness programs by conducted the NAG1 national awareness AIDS control. So awareness is very very important. Okay, and self control is very very important for the AIDS disease. Okay, so next, what are the tests of AIDS? Let's say AIDS or test, identification test and confirmation test. What are the test method na? The first test is ELISA. The test name ELISA. What is ELISA? ELISA test. Next one, Western blot test. The first step to the test ELISA. Second test Western blot. Okay. So what is the meaning of the ELISA? ELISA na enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. That is called ELISA. What is ELISA ma? Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. That is called ELISA. It is very very important. Short answer. So learn it. Okay. So what are the test? First one, it is a preliminary test. What is the meaning of the preliminary test? Preliminary test na just detect some antibodies present. Detect some antibodies. So what is antibodies? Because the HIV virus enter in our body. For example, HIV virus enter in our body na against some antibodies. T helper cells first initiate the B cell activity. B cell produces some antibodies. Some antibody substances are present or absent. It's a preliminary test. First check பண்றாங்க இருக்கா இல்லையா. First detection பண்றாங்க. That is called ELISA test. So ELISA test na first the preliminary test அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Okay, preliminary test na enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Okay, that is called ELISA test. Okay, first வந்து or antibodies இருக்குதா இல்லையா அப்படிங்கற detect some antibodies test, preliminary test. Second one, Western blot. What is the meaning of the Western blot? Western tech. What is the meaning of the Western blot? Already you know in Western blot tech. What is the meaning of detect a protein from nitrocellulose membrane. Detect the protein, the specific protein. Okay, so antibodies la enna irukum? Specific protein develop ஆகும். Antibodies நால என்ன is nothing but it is a protein. It is a glycoprotein அப்படினு சொல்றோம். So what is protein? Protein na antibodies enna irukum? Antibody contains some protein. So protein against to disease, the virus HIV disease kind of proteins is present or absent to detect the protein. To detect protein. And this is a confirmatory test. Okay, this is a preliminary test. Western blot is a confirmatory test. Confirmation or confirmatory test. The Western blot. Okay, so do you understand the two tests? First one ELISA, second one Western blot test. Okay, so what we have learned today ma? The first vaccination topic. The second one, it is a HIV immunodeficiency syndrome. So immunodeficiency syndrome example HIV virus. What is HIV? HIV is human immunovirus. It's a disease of the name AIDS. Acute immunodeficiency virus. The virus is spherical in shape. Okay, the central core is surrounded by some lipoprotein molecules. The size 220 nanometer. Okay, it is some spike is present. The glycoprotein 120 is look like a NAB-like structure. The glycoprotein 120 is attached to the glycoprotein 41. Okay, the central core is surrounded by some capsid protein. Inside the central core, two single stranded RNA present. It is very very important point. Two single stranded RNA present. The single stranded RNA contain some enzymes. What are the enzymes? RT, reverse transcriptase enzyme. What is the main capacity of or ability of the enzyme அப்படினா this enzyme, okay, the enzyme RNA, what is the genetic material? Genetic material RNA to form viral DNA, replicate itself in viral DNA with the help of transcriptase enzyme. Okay, so next HIV or transmission. First kill the T helper cells. Okay, so T helper cells or decrease the T helper cell number abdina, some antibodies or some microorganisms present in our body for the identification. So next one, what are the tests? ELISA test, another one Western blot. ELISA test on it is a preliminary test to detect the antibodies. So next one, Western blot is the confirmation test to detect the protein against HIV. It is a confirmatory test. Okay, so today home assignment, homework. Explain the immunodeficiency disease. Explain or describe immunodeficiency disease. Immunodeficiency disease. Thank you, students.